Hello guys, welcome back to another video. For this week tutorial, I'll be sharing with you how I make this how I crochet this granny square to make a bag. Before I get right into the video, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. So I'm using this scrap yarn. So I'm using 4 colors for this granny square bag. So my crochet hook is a 5mm crochet hook, scissors, and of course you will need a darning needle. So we are going to start with a magic circle. If you do not know how to make a magic ring, you can just do a chain of 4, and then you're going to slip stitch into the first chain, and then you have your ring. So you're going to work in that ring. So I'm going to be doing the same thing here. So we're going to start with a chain. We're going to start with a chain of 3. We're going to chain 3, and then into that same ring we're going to work 2 double crochets. So our chain 3 counts as our first double crochet. So we're going to do 2 double crochet, and then we're going to chain 2. We're going to chain 2 and work another 3 double crochet into the ring, and then we need 4 clusters of 3 double crochets. So we're going to do 3 double crochet, chain 2, another 3 double crochet until we have 4 clusters, and that will be a total of 12 double crochets. After you have 4 clusters, please do not forget to chain 2, and then you slip stitch into the chain 3 we made the first time, and then we are going to fasten off and add the new color. So for you to add your new color, so you make sure on the other side of your color, on the next yarn you're using, you have a slip knot on that new yarn. So you're going to start with a chain of 3, and we're going to do our corners now. So to make the corners, we're going to start with chain 3, 2 double crochet, and this is going to be the first corner. We are not going to complete it. We are going to complete it at the end of the round. So instead of chaining, you're not going to do any chain. You're going to go into the next space, and I mean the next space is the chain 2 space. In the previous row, the chain 2 space, you're going to go in there and do 3 double crochet, chain 2, another 3 double crochet. So we are making our corners. So we are going to have 4 corners in total. for now we are going to finish our corner, our last corner on this round, with 3 double crochet to complete the corner, and then we are going to chain 2. So for you to chain 2, then you're going to, after chain 2, you are going to slip stitch. So instead of slip stitching with the yarn that I'm working with right now, I'm going to use the nest yarn that I'm going to be working with to slip stitch. I mean the nest yarn, the nest color. I'm going to slip stitch with it instead of this. So it's this trick that I learned recently, and if you do not want to do this, you can just go ahead and just slip stitch with your current yarn and insert your nest color, your nest yarn. So you're going to cut off the white yarn without slip stitching. Without slip stitching, you're going to use the black yarn now, and then grab it like that, and then slip stitch into the both loops, and pull your yarn tight, and then you do a chain 1. You do chain 1, you turn your work around, you go in between the chain 2 space and do another slip stitch. And make sure to pull your yarn tight, the both yarn, the black and the white yarn. So you're going to continue now, turn your work around again and do your chain of 3. And we're going to start again with our corner with 2 double crochet into that space. Then going into the next space without a chain, without chaining one or anything, without any chain, you're going to go ahead with another 3 double crochet into the next space. So now we are going to go into that space to do our second corner. So it's going to be a 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. So we have 4 corners in total. We're just going to keep repeating this pattern, pretty easy and simple. And then into every space, chain 2 space, you're going to do 3 double crochet and work 4 corners. So now I'm going to be inserting another color. So now this is based on your preference. You might prefer to use one solid color for the whole of the granny square. You might choose whatever color you prefer. You can go whichever way you want with this granny square, whatever color, style, whatever you prefer. So just in case I didn't let you know, I'm using an acrylic yarn for this. You can use whatever yarn is suitable for you. Just keep repeating the rows, and we are going to have 4 corners, and that's it. And I'll meet you at the end of the last row of the granny square. So as you can see, I have 10 rounds of the granny square. So I have the 2 panels now ready together. Now we are going to join the 2 squares together for the bag. We're going to join the 2 panels together with a single crochet. So to join your bag, make sure the opposite side are facing each other of the granny square. Make sure the other side is facing each other. And now we are going to just without cutting off your yarn. I did not cut off my yarn when I finished the second panel of the bag, so just leave it like that. We are going to do a single crochet on 3 sides, leaving the one on top open, and To do this, we are going to grab our yarn now, and we are going under the chain 2 space, and then we are going to start from there. We are going to do for joining the we are just going to use only single crochet. So to start, you go into that under the chain 2 space and do 3 single crochets to keep it tight and secure. We're going to do 3 single crochets. Now we'll go under each loops. So this, you're going to be going under both loops and doing a single crochet, just 1 single crochet, going under both loops, the opposite side. So make sure they are matching, the stitch are matching with each other. Then you're just going to do a single crochet. And when you get to the chain 2 space, when you get to that chain 2 space, you put 2 single crochets into that space. So we're just going to keep repeating this stitch. So now we are at the base of the bag. We are going to be at the base into the chain 2 space. Now we have done the first corner, we have done the first side of the bag. Now when you get to the base of the bag, you go under the corner, the chain 2 space corner. We're going to do 5 single crochet, and this is just to give the base of the bag this curve, to have a curve, so it's easy to walk into the next stitch. So this is where you're going to put 5 single crochet at the base of the bag, and you're going to do the same thing on the other side of the bag. You're going to do the same thing also when you get to the other side. Do a 5 single crochet for the base, and then you're just going to continue your stitch. Now that we are done with joining the granny squares together, now we are going to do the strap for the bag. So I chained 150 for this. Now this, you should make your chain loose because you're going to walk back again into the chain. So keep it loose, and you can chain as much as you prefer. If you want it longer or shorter. So now once I've chained 150, on the other side I'm going to use a single crochet to attach this strap to the other side of the bag. To secure it, I did 3 single crochet to secure the strap to the other side of the bag. So once you're done with that, now into the back bum of the chain, into the back bum, you're going to walk 1 single crochet into the back bum. I'm done with the backbone for I'm done with the other side of the strap. So now I'm going to again secure the strap on the other side with single crochet, and we're going to chain one and fasten off. And this is the end of the tutorial. If you like this video, if you like this tutorial, please give my video a thumbs up. Do not forget to give my video a thumbs up. Turn on the notification bell to get notified. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.